everyone. Now take a look at my skin. My skin is looking so fresh, and oh my goodness, and it feels good. What I did to my skin is to apply a bar of ice. Now this is not your regular ice bar. This is just an amazing anti-aging ice bar. This I make using some amazing ingredients that are rich in antioxidant, vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. This ice bar also has skin brightening properties, and from that coldness of this ice bar, it also helps to plump the skin up and give my skin a natural glow. So if you're looking for an amazing addition to our morning skincare routine, this video is for you, so continue watching. Now to make my antioxidant ice cube, what I'm going to be using is some butterfly pea flowers. And if you know nothing about this, guys, you are going to know now, because guess what? This is 100% pure butterfly pea flowers. This is loaded with antioxidant that will help your skin to look so much better. Butterfly pea flowers is amazing to use topically on the skin. Butterfly pea flowers are of interest in the skincare community because of their ability to support graceful aging with antioxidant. While some flowers and botanical have components that are irritating to the skin, all components of butterfly pea flowers, from the root to the flowers themselves, can be used topically on the skin. One study found it did have an effect on calming skin issue. However, primary skin benefit will occur from the antioxidant present in the butterfly pea flower tea. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be brewing my butterfly pea flowers. So I'm just going to open. And I'm using 1 tea bag for this. If you want to make it stronger, you can use 2 tea bags. I'm going to place it in my bowl like this. And next I'm going to reach for some hot water. And I'm going to pour about 1 cup of hot water over the butterfly pea flowers. Now while the water is still very much hot, I am going to be reaching for some rice. And rice is rich in antioxidants that can help your skin to look younger and fresher. What we're going to be doing, we are going to be blanching this rice to extract the rice water. Rice is amazing for the skin. So we're going to pour about a tablespoon of rice. You can choose to use purple rice. You can choose to use white rice or even black rice for this recipe. And what we're going to do with this, we are going to cover this. We're going to cover, set this aside to brew and cool for about 2 to 3 hours, okay? Now after this has been cooled, what we're going to do, we are going to reach for some aloe vera gel, and this is optional, but I like to add a little. If you have fresh aloe vera gel, you can use it in this also. And I'm going to just squeeze about a tablespoon of the aloe vera gel in the mixture. So here in our bowl, we have butterfly pea flowers, we also have rice, and we have aloe vera gel. And now we are going to strain, remove the butterfly pea tea. Mix well. So for this recipe, you're going to need the ice tray. And we're going to load this up. And this is a 1/8 measurement. Now when it comes onto your leftover rice, just go ahead and toss, or you can blend it to make a facial scrub. So this is gonna give us about 8 or so ice cube. And what we're gonna do, we are gonna place this in the refrigerator and we are gonna let them sit overnight. Now once your ice cubes are ready, let's remove them. Now take a look. Here we have our ice cube, our butterfly pea flowers cube. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna use one of these every morning on your skin. So do not click off, continue watching. Let me show you the live demonstration of how to use this on the skin. Now here I have my ice cube, and first I cleanse my face like I normally do. So cleanse your face and then reach for your ice cube, and then you're just gonna rub it on your face like I'm showing here. And it's gonna be very, very cold, but very effective. Don't forget the forehead and just rub it. Ooh, it feels so good. And you're gonna do this for about 2 to 3 minutes all over. Move very fast. Ooh, this feels so good, guys. And look at that. Oh, just look at my skin. You can also go up close under your eyes. Focus on the laugh lines. Ooh, upper lips. Take it all the way back up on the forehead. And once you are completely satisfied, what you're gonna do, you're just gonna pat dry the skin. And then you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna use your facial toner, or just go ahead and continue with your regular skincare routine. Oh, my skin feels so good, and you can choose to use this every day on your skin for amazing results. If you have a little piece left over, just rinse it off and put it back in your bag and put it away. Amazing anti-aging facial ice treatment for plumper, firmer, radiant, healthy looking skin.